Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Sky Century Investment Inc. quarterly report. Sky Century Investment Inc. trades at a lower price-to-book ratio of -1.8 times relative within the industry. But when we look at the broader industry, much for its peers are also priced fairly or higher. This indicates an overall sector-level optimism, suggesting that most investors have already participated in the industry, leaving limited opportunity to uncover undervalued stocks. The company exhibits a very high leverage profile, with liabilities accounting for 364% of total assets. This elevated debt level warrants heightened caution, as it may limit financial flexibility and increase risk during economic stress. Liabilities have grown faster than assets and equity, which is somewhat concerning. However, asset growth remains positive, suggesting management may be temporarily leveraging liabilities to fund expansion. Shareholder equity has weakened over the past 5 years, accompanied by declining or negative operating income. This suggests the business may be eroding shareholder value and warrants caution. The share count has increased over the past 5 years, while revenue has continued to grow. This suggests the business may rely on shareholder dilution to fund expansion. Investors should closely monitor whether growth can eventually be sustained without dilution. The income statement shows that the company have been growing its revenue annually, but the operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost. Sky Century Investment, Inc. offers a diverse range of businesses and services that cater to various needs of its clients. The company provides IT services, including technical support such as maintenance, troubleshooting, and system upgrades. This enables businesses to scale their operations without significant upfront capital investment through the use of leased high-performance servers. In addition to IT services, Sky Century Investment, Inc. also offers marketing services that include digital marketing, branding, and market research. These services help businesses establish a strong online presence and reach their target audience effectively. The company also provides RSS feeds and podcasts, which are valuable tools for news organizations, websites, and other businesses looking to stay updated on the latest cannabis news. Furthermore, Sky Century Investment, Inc. has developed a mobile application called Cannabis News, designed specifically for users seeking information related to cannabis. This application is an innovative way for people to access relevant information on their mobile devices. Overall, the company's services are tailored to meet the needs of businesses and individuals in the cannabis industry, making it a valuable resource for those looking to stay informed and connected. The past year has been tumultuous for Sky Century Investment, Inc.'s OTC, SKYI stock price. Several key events have contributed to the downward pressure on its value. One major concern is the auditors' going concern doubt raised in December 2025, a warning sign that typically leads to a sharp decline in investor confidence. The company's financial reports for the past year paint a bleak picture. The first quarter earnings report revealed a net loss of $28,213 and minimal cash reserves, while the full-year earnings report likely contained negative news given the subsequent quarterly report. Furthermore, the second quarter earnings report showed a significant 61% decline in total revenues and an increased accumulated deficit. The company's dependence on shareholder support and recurring financial losses underscore its precarious financial position. The lack of revenue from its Cannabis News application exacerbates these issues. These factors collectively indicate severe liquidity problems and operational challenges that have likely contributed to the stock price drop. The company's net income has taken a significant hit, decreasing by $28,213 compared to the same period last year. This decline in net income is particularly concerning, as it indicates that the company is experiencing financial difficulties. Despite this, there is some positive news on the revenue front. The company saw a 32% increase in revenue, with sales totaling $39,916 more than they did during the same period last year. However, despite this boost in revenue, the company was still unable to turn a profit, resulting in a net loss. The decrease in net loss is also worth noting, as it decreased by 32% compared to the same period last year. While this may seem like a positive trend, it's essential to consider that the company is still experiencing financial difficulties and struggling to turn a profit. The company's financial performance indicates a strong ability to generate cash from its core operations. A significant aspect of this is the generation of positive operating cash flow, which stands at $39,916. This figure signifies that the company is able to produce more cash than it consumes in its day-to-day activities. As a result, the company has a solid foundation for future growth and investment opportunities. Management's recent statements highlight several key trends in the company's performance. Notably, the company has achieved significant revenue growth, a positive indicator of its overall health. Additionally, operating expenses have decreased by 24% compared to the same period last year, suggesting that the company is becoming more efficient. However, despite these encouraging signs, management reported a net loss for the quarter due to higher amortization expense and deferred income. This discrepancy between revenue growth and profitability suggests that the company may be facing some challenges in terms of managing its expenses and cash flow. Overall, while there are some positive indicators, management's outlook and strategy remain unclear at this time. That concludes the financial summary for Sky Century Investment, Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.